Okay, let me start the presentation. By developing RGBD devices like Kinect, 3D object recognition and 3D scene understanding has become an important topic in computer vision area. Many 3D object data can make 3D object model using previously proposed works, which detect and recognize the objects in the 3D spaces. Like this figure, RGBD images can construct 3D scenes. We can find objects by matching the trained 3D object model to the 3D scene spaces. However, this exhaustive search is computationally inefficient. If we can reduce the search space in 3D scene, then the 3D object detector would be faster. So, our goal is to find 3D object cuboid from RGBD images. Because general objects in indoor scene have the cuboid shape, so the detected 3D cuboids can be used as the object candidate to match the heavy 3D object model. Existing methods are based on segmentation approach. This approach has limitations like this. When the segmentation region misses the occluded parts like this, then the segmentation-based method cannot estimate the whole 3D cuboid, but only the part of the cuboid. The cuboid detection results would be like this red cuboid box, and also the segmentation method itself are computationally expensive. In this slide, I will briefly explain the frame of our method. We first focus visual attention to find interesting region. From the visual attention, we select the distinctive parts using the trained distinctive part classifier, and then from the distinctive parts, the probabilistic voting process is done. And finally, we can estimate the cuboid's location and sizes. The more details of the proposed method are our poster and paper. At this time, I'll show some experimental results. The first row shows RGB image and depth map and ground truth, and second row shows the result of existing method and the proposed method. As you can see, ours can successfully find cuboids in 3D scene even if there are many occlusions in the objective region. And this is another example. Ours shows more better results, and this is another example. In conclusion, we propose the first 3D cuboid detection algorithm, and our method can solve partial occlusion problem by voting-based approach. More details are in our poster section. To C15, thank you very much. Bye.